This is an easy beginner project. The materials required for the project are Griffin Jewellery elastic cord in 0.5mm diameter, 925 sterling silver 2.2mm spacer bead with a 1mm hole, size 11 seed beads in peacock blue, mandarin and saffron. Cut a piece of jewellery elastic cord at 20 centimetres. This gives you enough cord to hold with ease when you are creating your knot. Pick up onto your thread alternate seed beads and 2.2mm silver spacer beads until the beads go around the finger that you will be wearing the ring stack on. During the process of creating a knot with a small circlet of beads, when you start the knot, make sure your cord is pulled taut and your beads are almost rigid. To create a knot with Griffin Jewellery elastic is simple. Take the two ends and hold them together. Take the two ends and bring them down over themselves to create a loop. Take the ends of the thread around the back of the loop and come through the loop to the front. Guide the knot to snug up close to the beads. Holding both ends together, give a fairly firm pull. To test if the knot is secure, you should be able to pull the two sides apart gently without your knot moving. Cut off your ends, leaving at least a 2mm tail on your cord. To hide your knot, pull your knot inside the last 2.2mm spacer bead. Creating the knot and pulling the knot inside the 2.2mm spacer bead will relax the beads, as the stretchy cord will give a little. This will avoid a loose fitting ring with gaps and make sure you create a snug fit with your rings. Check out the links below for all the information.